Hello there YouTubers. Today I'm going to teach you about IIS7, how to install it and configure it from scratch. Now what you need to do this is a computer with Windows XP, which would be IIS6, so slightly different, or Windows Vista or Windows 7. But make sure it's Windows 7 Premium, Home Premium, not Home Basic versions. They don't work. Right, so what we do is first off we go to Start, then click on Control Panel, then click on Programs, then click on Turn Windows Features on or off, and then click Yes on, and you get a box that come up. There should be something in here called Internet Information Services. Now just click it once so you get the square. Don't bother about ticking it, because if you tick it there's too much information, waste of space on your computer. Then click OK. After you've clicked OK, you'll have a box installing and you may have to restart. After that, then you'll be going to start again, type in IIS, and you'll have Internet Information Services, IIS Manager. Now ignore the 6.0 Manager because that's for the older version. Then click on that and yes. Right, now in here you've got the computer's name, localhost, press the down arrow, and then you've got application pools, and you've got sites. In sites you want to make a new site, so left click on sites, then add new sites. Let's call it YouTube. Physical path. Now this is where you want your site to be now on your computer. So what you do is click the three dots, saying the C drive, and we'll use, right click on here, new folder, and we'll call it YouTube. Right, so now that's where our website is. Binding. Now binding is very important. It's to do with your IP address and what we want to link it from. Now what you do is click the down arrow and your local IP address will be here. Mine's that one there. Then port number. Now in most cases port 80 is the internet. Well, I advise to change it to something else, like I'm going to put this one as port 90. All my other sites aren't, there's something else. And then click OK. Now that will create us a site, which is here. This is our site. Now what you've got to do is then you want to close this off here. Now that also should be working now, so if we turn around and go to our start, computer, and then the C drive, and in there we'll have our YouTube folder that we made. Now in here we want to, just for instance, we'll make a HTML file. Let's just do a text file a minute. Right, and call it hello world. Right, and file save as, and change that to all types. Index.html. Now, index is obviously the main page that your computer will load to when they request that they want to join you. That's your page. If you didn't already know, right, I can delete this new text document. Yes. Right, now when I type in my internet browser, we will type in http 192.168.1.64. Now that's my IP address, and to make sure it ports to the right address, we would port 90 because that's the port we picked, and press enter and wait for it to load. There you go, hello world. Now we've been able to make it load on the computer. I will make another tutorial on showing you how to get it to everyone around the world. So hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, leave comments below if you need any questions, and see you in my next video. Thanks.